Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload files in Basecamp. Alright, so first up, go and log into your Basecamp account and open up the specific project where you wanted to upload a file. Alright, now go ahead and open up the tool that is called Docs and Files. If you can't see it, go to the top right, click on three dots and click on Setup Tools. Now make sure that Docs and Files is toggled on. Alright, once done, go back. Click on Docs and Files. As you can see here, I already created folders for these files. Now let's say I'm just going to go ahead and upload a new file. Okay, go to the top left, click on plus or new. And then in here, you can just easily click on Upload Files. All right, click on it and it will open up your device's storage. Now in here, you can just easily select a photo, a video, it could be a document, anything that you would like to upload. All right, for example, I'm going to go ahead and upload this picture right here. I'm going to hit on open, wait for it, and just go ahead and click on post to the project. All right, go back to Docs and Files, and there you have it. Now add in some more, maybe a document from your computer, maybe this random file right here. Hit on open, uploading, post to the project. There you have your text file. Okay. You can go ahead and upload maybe an Excel file if you want to. All right, hit on open, post, now go back. There you have your Excel file, maybe a video, maybe this one, hit on open, wait for it, and then hit on post. All right. Now, if you want to know how to upload links right here on your Docs and Files section, just like this, and organizing your docs and files, like creating a folder, go ahead and check our channel. We have a ton of videos talking about Basecamp. All right, but that's it for now. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.